Before we learn about CP, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'm trying to build this channel up and I can't tell you how much the thumbs up and subscribers help. Thanks everyone. I really appreciate it. Now on with the video. So what exactly is cerebral palsy? What's the causation of CP? Cerebral palsy is a group of neurological disorders that are caused by damage to the brain. The word cerebral means of the brain and the word palsy stems from the word paralysis. In the application of CP, palsy pertains to one of more muscle groups that malfunction. The abnormal functionality occurs when the brain misfires and sends messages down to a particular muscle group. Here is an example of non-voluntary movement when I attempt to type without resting my arm on something. My whole upper body is moving. This is due to the incorrect message from my brain through my nervous system to my muscles. I use the analogy of an electrical source, say, electrical wiring. If there is a damage within the source of electricity, a light may work improperly, for example, and the light can either not function at all or it can flicker. In any case, the correct voltage is not being produced to maintain proper functionality. The same concept applies to the brain not sending the right amount of impulses to the muscles. The part of the brain that controls the muscle group is damaged. What is the causation of CP? The common cause is oxygen deprivation during birth or after birth. The brain doesn't receive the right amount of oxygen. As a result, tissue in certain parts of the brain dies. Hence the reason why cerebral palsy affects each individual differently. It all depends which areas of the brain were damaged and the extent of the damage. Bleeding in the brain also causes the condition. There are many occurrences that bring on the causations of CP. In my situation, I have different disorders such as dysarthria, which is a speech disorder from weakness or lack of control in the articulators, the muscles that are used for speaking. I'm going to make a whole video on my speech, and it's the most frustrating challenge that I face. In addition to dysarthria, I have spasticity in my limbs and I can't use my left arm nor hand. However, I am extremely thankful that my cognition has full functionality. I speak about my situation with a smile on my face because I have no reason to allow the disability to bring me down. Do I feel limited sometimes? Absolutely. But as soon as my mind goes on the disability, I shift the focus onto what I am able to do. I will create a true disability if I don't. I will talk about treatments that I've received for cerebral palsy in the next video of this series, and I will discuss my philosophy of having the disability.